welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm back with a super exciting video. I'm gonna be doing another week in my life vlog, so I thought it would be fun to vlog my week. I love watching week in my life vlogs, and I just posted one somewhat recently. I had a lot of fun filming my week and just filming a little bit of each day, so I just thought it'd be fun to do more week in my life vlogs. Definitely let me know if you would like to see more week in my life vlogs on my channel, if you guys enjoy watching them as well. Definitely give this a big thumbs up if you would like to see more. Definitely subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Let's just get into the vlog. Today is actually Tuesday. I started the other one on Tuesday as well, just because yesterday I was actually vlogging for a different video. This week is just gonna be kind of an average week in my life. Really quickly, I just wanted to show you guys these shoes that I just got in the mail. They are these New Balance shoes. I actually talked about these in my fall clothing essentials and trends video. Definitely check that out if you guys haven't seen it. It's all about my favorite things for the fall time. They're just like these really cool kind of chunky sneakers. I feel like these are a little bit more fun than my usual Air Force Ones. I think these are so cute. They're literally sold out everywhere. I got them from Goat. I try to like link them, but I think they're sold out everywhere. I'm gonna wear them today. I'm super excited. I'm not really going anywhere. I'm literally just getting coffee in the drive-thru, and I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of good wear out of them. There's some other New Balance styles that are similar. These are the 530s, I think. So I'll keep you guys updated throughout the week, I guess, as I'm wearing them. So I think I'm just gonna put these on real quick and go grab a coffee. I think I'm actually gonna get a hot coffee this morning. It's actually pretty cool out today. Let's just get to it. I went with an iced latte. Iced always sounds better. I kind of want to go on like a little walk while I'm out. Maybe I'll stop by my parents' house and take my dog for a walk. I would enjoy it. I would enjoy it. My shoes would enjoy it. It is a little bit later. I just opened my windows and lit a fall candle because it's actually so nice outside. It's like the perfect fall day, 68 degrees. And now I'm just gonna do a little bit of filming, some little like try on clips for a clothing haul that's within a vlog. That video will already be up by the time this video goes up, so I will link it here if you guys wanna check it out. That is what's next on my to-do list. And then I'm just gonna be pretty much editing that video for the rest of the day. Goal is to get that video done by the afternoon. I did end up taking my dog for a walk because the weather is just so perfect. The coffee shop I went to was actually really close to my parents' house. I'm just gonna get back to work, try to get everything done on my to-do list. So I was just filming those try on clips. I have a little candle going. It smells so good. It's the Harvest Wreath candle from Home Goods, and it literally smells so good. I have my windows open with like a nice little breeze. I was listening to the What We Said podcast, the one about fall obsessions, trends, healthy habits, and favorites. Just like such a fall mood. Filming try on clips for fall like clothing pieces, fall candle, hearing all about fall obsessions, and yeah, just very fall vibes in here. I think I'm just gonna have lunch really quick and then get started on editing for the rest of the day. I did change into some sweatpants. So I've been editing pretty much all day. I know I look rough. Like, I don't know why I look rough. I've literally just been editing. My hair is like a mess. My makeup's like a mess. I look kind of crazy, and I've just been sitting here editing. Anyways, I'm just gonna like clip my hair back so it is out of my face. I'm still working on a rough cut, like going through the footage and cutting out everything I don't want. So I haven't even started to add music or text, going through and doing all the links for everything. I have made the thumbnail, so I still have a lot to do, and it's already like 4 p.m. and this is due at the end of the day. Running a little slow here, but I'm almost done with the rough cut. So I feel like this is just taking a little bit longer than expected. I'm almost done. Hopefully the rest of it won't take me as long as this part has. I'm just working on this. I will update you in a couple hours. It's a little bit later. My video is 100% edited. I'm just waiting for it to finish processing. So it's like uploaded, but processing to YouTube. And then I'm just gonna send it in to my manager so the brand can look at it and approve it. That way I can get it posted. And I'm actually gonna post that on Fridays. And I actually have another video pre-uploaded for tomorrow. So I'll be posting Monday, Wednesday, Friday this week, because I posted yesterday. I look like a mess right now. Like, I don't know what is happening. All I've been doing is literally sitting here for 6 hours straight. staring at my computer. I've literally got everything checked off my to-do list, which feels so good. Literally haven't been on my phone all day. My screen time is probably 0. Like, I don't think I've been on Instagram at all today. So I'll probably just talk to you guys tomorrow because I need to unwind from looking at screens. Unwinding from looking at screens means watching TV. I'm probably gonna watch TV. Talk to you guys tomorrow. It is the next day. It is Wednesday. I've had a decently productive morning so far. I actually woke up and it was really rainy and stormy. My friend and I actually made plans to go work out. We decided not to because it was just super stormy and dreary and just so gross out. Then we decided to get coffee instead. It was just really nice catching up and getting coffee. And I did do a few emails and kind of like planning and scheduling and stuff like that before I went. So I feel like I've had a pretty productive morning so far. I'm having a little bit of a chill day because the last few days have been really like busy. I've just been taking it a little bit more easy today because I don't have anything due immediately. It's a little bit later, so I have not been good about vlogging today. I've just been replying to some emails and kind of planning out my schedule because I have some dates for some upcoming partnerships. I've just been adding those to my calendar and kind of planning out the next few weeks, what videos I want to do for those and stuff like that. So just kind of like planning, scheduling, replying to emails, stuff like that. I did order some things from Amazon, so I just wanted to show you guys. They're actually like desk related things. I feel like my desk is kind of disorganized. Also, whenever I'm editing, you guys might have noticed, I'm kind of like this. So I ordered some things to kind of help with that and just kind of help with my overall desk organization. I do a little Amazon haul and kind of change up my desk setup. And I'll link below the things I ordered in the description if you guys are interested in them. I got this little laptop stand, so it'll basically just prop up my laptop so I'm not like hunching over. I think this will be helpful. I also just got these acrylic little organizers for pens and markers. I always just have them in a drawer, but it'd be kind of nice to have the ones I use frequently just out on my desk. Lastly, I also picked up this little acrylic stand for my iMac. I just think it'd be nice to have it also kind of propped up, and then I can put the keyboard and stuff underneath, less just kind of setting out on my desk, which would give me more desk space. This didn't really work. I feel like it looks really big, does not fit underneath. So if I had the keyboard that's just like this is the standard one, it would work. Died, but I had a bunch of pens and markers in this little pencil bag, and I was actually able to put them all in these little acrylic containers. So I'm just gonna put them here. Okay, so I think that looks really nice and will be super useful. The rest of my desk just looks really clean. Last but not least, that is the little laptop stand. You might be wondering, why am I using my laptop if I have this iMac? Just because this iMac is actually a little bit old. The processor on this is not super fast. My laptop is much faster when it comes to editing, exporting, and uploading videos. It will do that in like a fraction of the time this does. I find that editing on my laptop just is way faster. The new desktops have the microchip, so they're much faster, but I like to just have a video that I can finish up on the go if I need to. So I usually use my laptop, but I still like this, so I do use it sometimes. I have this little laptop stand so I'm not hunched over when editing. I think that might actually work well. I might just try it out today. Here is the finished desk setup. I think it looks really nice. That laptop stand will be super helpful. I'm really sad the acrylic stand didn't work because I thought it was gonna look really nice and sleek. I think I'm actually gonna hop in the shower and exfoliate all my fake tan off because I am gonna take some Instagram pictures tomorrow, and I definitely want a fresh tan because this is not looking very good. So it is the next day. It is Thursday. I've just gotten ready for the day. I actually did fake tan last night, so my fake tan is looking all fresh and I'm feeling really glowy. Didn't really vlog much yesterday, and now I just need to get some pictures, just like a clean looking picture to send in to my managers. It's just for like updated stuff. Kind of working on that this morning. Later on, I'm gonna go take pictures, like Instagram pictures today for fall. I've been wanting to do that because my Instagram is like slacking. I try to take pictures when I'm out, but lately I just haven't really been going anywhere. I just need some pictures of outfits and of myself to post on my Instagram. When my mom gets off work, she's gonna go with me because I have a hard time using a tripod and taking them myself for the kind of pictures I'm wanting to take, like more candid street type pictures. It's just really hard to take them yourself in a busy area. My mom is more than willing to go and take pictures for me. We're gonna go downtown, and she actually needs to run some errands downtown, and so do I. So we're just gonna kind of make a day of it. I might stop in IKEA, gonna go to the Apple store. So today's gonna be a fun day. So before my mom gets off work, I'm just working on taking some more pictures. My clothing rack is scooted over, so this is kind of my little setup there. Quick little picture with a clean background. Gonna get that picture taken and sent in before I do anything today. So I think those are actually turning out pretty good. I think they'll be good for what I need them for. I don't know where the time went. I was literally just taking those pictures and I was trying to airdrop them to my computer, which for some reason takes so long. I don't know why it takes so long. I was trying to like upload them, and then there were some other pictures I had to send in. Somehow all the extra time I had this morning is gone, and my mom is now getting off work. So we're gonna go take pictures downtown. I just packed some clothes into a bag. I just tried to do it really quick or else I would have filmed it, but I will show you throughout the day what I brought. It's all stuff you guys have probably seen before in hauls. I will just talk to you guys probably once I'm in the car. I'm on my way downtown to go take Instagram pictures, and I'm gonna do 4 different outfits in 4 different places. So I will just vlog once I get there. I just changed into outfit number 2. Today's been kind of a struggle. I haven't vlogged at all. It's just been like really sunny and bright and hard to take pictures. Also kind of hard to like change. Okay, so I just took some rooftop pictures right here, and there is a barbecue place actually right like where the rooftop is, like right there. So it literally smells like barbecue. I just changed into the 4th outfit, the 4th and final outfit, which is this chunky sweater. This is where I was taking the pictures. I just thought I'd show you guys. Little kind of shopping center. Just taking pictures kind of like along the streets there, wherever. There's a little coffee shop. Now I'm gonna go into this like, there's kind of like a park. I'm gonna go take some pictures there in this sweater. And yeah, so I got a rooftop picture, a couple like kind of city pictures, and then like a park like picture. I just took some pictures in this outfit. They all turned out really cute, I think. We just arrived to IKEA. My mom's just gonna do a quick return. It's just too tempting not to shop, so I might just walk through like the bottom section. I literally just can't help myself. Christmas, Christmas, Christmas. I'm a little excited for Christmas. Already have their Christmas stuff. I'm so glad we came in. Low key, I think I'm gonna get this. I feel like this is just really cute. So it is Friday. I guess my goal for today will just be to get Monday's video all pre-uploaded and edited. My nail broke. Just gonna do a little planning. I also kind of want to test this out and see how I like it, this little laptop stand. Let's get going. I need to get going in the day. Also, it feels like it's really cold. Like I am like really cold. It is 55 degrees out and rainy. I think I am going to light a candle. I won't be opening my windows because it's chilly. Kind of nice to get a fall breeze, but I feel like I would just be more cold. I wrote up my to-do list and now I feel ready to tackle the day. This just makes me feel much more organized. I have like little times out to the side, so it's like time blocked. When I go to do something, I know I only have this much time to do that thing, and then I need to move on to the next task in order to kind of like get everything done. I'm gonna be working on editing this week in my life video. I actually really enjoy editing vlogs. Vlogs are just kind of different every single time. Every single one is kind of different to edit. I don't know, it's kind of fun just like looking back at like memories and if it's just like a normal week in my life. So I think I'm actually gonna get coffee first and then tackle some emails and phone calls that I need to make, and then I'll actually get started with the editing. Just kind of another editing day. Might be getting my nails done. I don't know if I said that. Somebody finishes up their appointment early, then she was gonna try to squeeze me in. So I'm kind of like on call as far as getting a nail appointment. I think I'm gonna go get a coffee real quick and then I'm actually gonna get started on my to-do list. My goal is to be extremely productive today, literally get everything checked off. So I got a hot drink. I literally haven't got a hot drink in so long. It is 55 degrees out and it's pretty chilly. It did sound good today, but I feel a little weird not getting my usual iced. I'm back from getting my coffee. The hot drink is so good. It's like really good today. It is a little bit later. I actually just had lunch, and right as I finished lunch, my nail tech texted me and said she could get me in like right now. I'm gonna head to my nail appointment. I think I'm just gonna put that faux leather jacket on that I had yesterday instead of this hoodie. I just got done with my nail appointment. Here are my new nails. I literally love them. I saw a picture saved on Pinterest and I thought it was super cute. So I did like brown with this cool design. I think these are super cute. I literally love getting my nails done. It was a little bit later. I'm back to my routine, windows open, candles going, and I am just gonna get started on editing. I'm gonna work on this for the next few hours. I did post my video and I replied to all the comments. So if you're watching this video, comment what your highlight of the weekend was, or what your highlight of last week was, or something you're looking forward to this week. I love looking at the comments. I think I'm pretty much just gonna be editing this video for the rest of the night, probably just finishing this up kind of throughout the weekend as well. I think I might just end the vlog here. I'm really not doing anything interesting the rest of the night or tomorrow. I really hope you guys enjoyed this week in my life. Definitely thumbs up if you'd like to see more of them on my channel. If you made it to this point in the video, comment the coffee emoji. Definitely subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.